Okay, so we got up early this morning and left Pavones area and are now heading towards the mountains again. Very windy road. So we're staying at the Quetzal Lodge, and that is a bird, kind of the jewel bird of Costa Rica. So I'm really hoping that tomorrow we're going to go on some hiking with a guide and hopefully we can get to see it. This is our scenery. Okay, so we just landed at the lodge and look at the view from up here. And these are all the little accommodations. And tomorrow we booked our hike, and apparently good chances are we're gonna see this damn bird. And this is ours. Look at this cute little accommodation. And we're glad we brought winter stuff because it's I'm glad we brought winter stuff because what is it? It's 10 degrees right now.
Yeah.
And they literally have blankets on and a heater and heating pads for us. Look at that. Okay, so this is Brent and I having dinner, and you might think that this is just really rude that we have computers at the table, but first of all, doesn't that salad look amazing? But you need to understand that, first of all, high-speed internet is incredible, so we're catching up on all of our shows. And we've been together since June.
Sorry?
I'm just explaining to everybody that we look rude. Like it looks rude that what we're doing, you know, eating and watching YouTube and
Yeah, it's been a while
hockey.
since we had real internet.
Like seriously. And I also said that, I mean, you and I have been together since June, every single day. So.
Less than a year.
I know, honey. Love you. We're in Costa Rica, sitting beside a wood fireplace. Oh my God. I absolutely love this. I actually thought I was going to cry earlier, but I didn't. Makes me miss home. You have returned. Okay, so look at underneath. I just filled up the little water bottles. They're underneath. Okay, watch, babe. Watch. Okay, sheet. One blanket. Oh my God. 2 blankets. 3 blankets. 4 blankets. 5 blankets.
And a foot thing.
I know. Like,
I told you.
oh my God. Do you have socks?
Huh?
I have socks. Do you have socks?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm literally wearing the stuff that I wore on the plane
Yes.
from Canada.
Yes.
I'll be wearing that for the next
2 days.
48 hours.
Yeah.
Look at you. Oh my God. I wish I had my toque.
Yes.
Do we have them?
Huh?
Do we have them?
I can't. I don't.
No, we don't. We didn't bring them. Oh well. Okay. Well, snuggle time. Good morning. And there is the view from our room. Not as cloudy. So we're up. We're getting ready. Going for our 8:30 hike to see birds. It was mighty cold last night, eh, babe? But we also found, even with all those blankets, thank God for that heater. I told Brent, I feel like we're getting soft. Maybe we have to go back to Canada in the snow. Any of you teachers recognize this style? Gonna change into those hiking shoes soon. Hopefully it'll be a good day. Okay, ahead of us is our guide, David. So he came to the lodge, picked us up, and we're both driving to the farm now. Look at the properties. If I can remember from the reading, it's a privately owned property, hence why we have this gorgeous, other than this part, pavement to drive on. Okay, so our guide went down to go find birds for us. And we just had to do a short walk. We were just saying thank God, because that short walk was like heavy breathing on my part. I think I just needed some rest. Anyway, here's our area. And apparently too, we might see a toucan. They're in the area too. What do you think of this birding thing, honey?
Oh, birding is so much fun.
I'm learning about it though.
Yes.
It takes patience.
Yes. So does surfing. But you get away with it at the end.
Yeah, but wait till you get a quetzal or a toucan at the end.
Oh, yeah, that'll be worth it.
Okay, David went on a bird hunt. We're now cracking open the toys. Hopefully he's okay with this. Okay, we can hear them calling. And one flew in.
Go ahead, dear. I'm going to be slow.
Oh my God. Don't really know if I'm getting him, but I can see him in person. He's beautiful. Where's the second one? Where's the second one? Oh, okay. Okay, so there's two right there. And then a third. Two males and one female. I know it's hard to see through here. Okay, David. Okay, so the male.
That's the male,
Okay.
and this one the female.
Okay.
They are different because, for example, we can see that the male has the yellow bill and female has the black bill. Or the difference is, for example, the tail. Only the male has a long tail, but really it isn't a long tail. The tail is only this.
Right.
It's until here.
Yeah.
And these are called birds. It's only for attract the female.
Yeah. Yeah.
Other difference, for example, is the tail. For example, the male has white tail, but the female has barred tail.
It's pretty.
Yeah. Other difference, and very important, is that only the male has the crest, like a mohawk.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Again, makes them more attractive to the female.
Yeah, sure.
You guys have to do everything you can in your power to catch a female. Look at you. Look at that tail. Is birding exciting now?
Oh yeah.
How long do the eggs incubate?
Normally 18 days.
Oh.
Yeah.
And
Something like that.
does the mom or the mother, they both
Yeah.
tend to the nest?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, cool.
Normally spend more time the male on the nest than the female, but both go and bring food. For their chicks.
And how many chicks do they? How many
Normally
eggs?
2 chicks, but sometimes only one leaf on it.
Well, we just read that the
Another-
toucan likes to
yeah.
eat their
Yeah.
their eggs. Okay, so there's the female. No long tail. I know there's another female in the tree. Okay. So now we have another female and the male at the back. Oh, there he goes.